How does loud noise damage your hearing hair cells? Imagine your ears as tiny, delicate microphones that pick up sound and send signals to your brain. Inside your cochlea, a spiral-shaped part of your inner ear, special cells called hair cells do this job. These hair cells have tiny hair-like projections called stereocilia that bend in response to sound vibrations. When you hear a noise, these stereocilia move, opening channels that turn vibrations into electrical signals. Your brain then interprets these signals as sound. When you are exposed to loud noise, especially above 85 decibels, it creates intense mechanical forces inside the cochlea. These forces can physically damage the stereocilia, causing them to break or become dislodged. Think of it like bending a fragile brush too far until the bristles snap. If the stereocilia are damaged or lost, the hair cells can't detect sound vibrations properly, leading to hearing loss. Loud noise also triggers biochemical reactions inside the hair cells. It causes the production of harmful molecules called reactive oxygen species. These molecules create oxidative stress, which damages cell membranes, proteins, and even DNA inside the hair cells. This damage can activate cell death pathways, leading to apoptosis or programmed cell death. Since mammalian hair cells do not regenerate, once they are lost, they are gone forever. In addition to damaging the hair cells themselves, loud noise can harm the synapses, the connections between the inner hair cells and the auditory nerve fibers. This damage can impair how sound information is transmitted to the brain. Sometimes, even if a hearing test shows normal results, people may experience difficulty understanding speech in noisy places. This condition is called hidden hearing loss and is linked to synaptic damage caused by noise. Supporting cells in the cochlea, which help maintain the structure and health of hair cells, can also be affected by loud noise. When these cells are damaged, the overall health of the cochlea declines, making hair cells more vulnerable to injury. In summary, loud noise damages hearing hair cells by physically breaking their delicate stereocilia, causing oxidative stress that leads to cell death, damaging the synapses that send signals to the brain, and weakening the supporting cells that keep the cochlea healthy. Because these hair cells do not grow back, protecting your ears from loud noises is essential to prevent noise-induced hearing loss. Always consider wearing hearing protection in noisy environments and seek advice from healthcare professionals if you experience hearing difficulties.